Luc Paquin. Photography, jewelry, steampunk, painting, prints, digital prints, etchings, engravings, drawing, illustration, sculpture, fiber arts, mixed media, tools, electronics, robotics, etc. Project #01, top hat, wood, wire, gears, charm, paints, etc. Mk02.
Now the plywood for good for top hat, wood, same thing, gears is good, I think so, and plywood for here, laser here, and here, electronics, button, and here, like, good for here, and this is good, and I think the Arduino and camera here, and me go to paint here, the case for, so black and yellow, silver and gold, red, another one here, and copper here. So now the case for Arduino, and next time paint the case. Bye bye.
Luc Paquin Art. Curriculum vitae. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.